Hi student, in last sessions we are discussing about queue data structure, and in that sessions what exactly the queue data structure, why you need a queue data structure, and what are the types of an queue data structure. In this sessions we are discussing about first type of an queue, that is a simple queue and a ordinary queue. This queue can specify simple, it's very simple. We need to perform a insert operation, delete operation and display operation and based on first in first out manner in a simple way. Okay, this can be implemented by using an array, and also in this case we have to check the status of an queue, whether the queue is empty or full. Okay, in this case we are taking a one example where I hope already know about why you are taking a header files. Therefore here I am taking a 4 header files. First one is the standard input output.h. H means header file, console header file, standard library header file, process header file, and then we are also define a size of an queue by using an array. What is the max size? 5. It means that this queue data structure, it will holds the 5 elements of a index is a 4. Okay, in this statement will tell this is a global variable declaration. Here I am taking a element, whatever you want we can take it of a type integer. Rare uses for inserting a data element into the simple queue data structure. Front is used for deleting elements from the queue data structure, and then rare value is initialized to -1. This is a case, and front is initialized to 0. Queue is a array name, it will holds the 5 element, that is a max is a 5. Okay, next this is a function declaration part. Okay, in this case we are implementing a 3 operations. First one, insert operation, delete operation and display operation of a type void. Next is a every program is start from the main function. Okay, here I am declaring a main function, that is a type void, and also we are taking a clear screen, it's used for clearing our screen, and here I am taking a one local variable, that is a choice, and then by using a printf statement we have to print the queue menu, and then we have what are the menu I need to take, that is a insert means 1. If I press a 1 it will select insert operation, it will ask for inserting element. If I selected 2 it will delete the element in the data structure, queue data structure. 3 means displaying the elements in the queue data structure. 4 means it's exiting that screen. Next is we have to select the choices. For that reason we are taking this statement, enter your choice. After entering a choice we have to scan by using a scanf statement. After selecting the choices it will pass to the switch statement. Okay, here if I select a 1 it means that it will call the insert operation. If you select a 2 it will call the delete operation. If you select a 3 it will call the display operation. If you select a 4 it means that exit that screen. And then instead of taking a means that instead of selecting these 4 choices I am taking a 5, 6 or 7, anything other than these 4 choices. In that case it will display a error message, that is a wrong choice, and then get ch function. Okay, next is this is a function definition. First function is a insert of a type void. Before inserting any data element into the true data structure we have to check whether the queue is full or not, that is a overflow condition. Okay, if the queue does not contain any element it means that we need to insert a element, that is a case. In this case if a queue is contains elements it means that queue already is full. In that case you are using this statement, and then queue is overflow. If queue is does not contain any element, in that case we have to insert a element. For that reason it will ask enter the element into insert into queue data structure, and then we have to insert. I am inserting a 1. When you are inserting a 1 rare is incremented by initially what is the rare value, -1. Okay, in that case it will pointing to 1th position, 0th position, sorry 0th, rare is pointing to here. Okay, and then 1 I am entering, that will insert it to here. Again it will ask insert into element, and then I am inserting a 2, rear is pointing to 1, and means that rear is incremented by 1. This is a statement. When is rear is incremented? After incrementing, we have to insert a data element into that queue. These are keeping like that. Up to 5 elements we need to insert. What are the elements I inserted here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by using a rear end. Okay. Next is deleting elements from the queue. For that reason, before deleting any data element from the queue data structure, we need to check whether queue is empty or not. For that reason, we are using this statement. Either these two statements, one of the statement are satisfied, it means that queue is underflow. If it does not satisfy, it goes to the else statement. We have to delete the element from the front end. Okay. And then when you are deleting the elements from the front end, in that case front is incremented by 1. I already said that by using the insert function, I inserting 5 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. When you are selecting a choice number 2, in that case we have to delete values. In that case, what is the initial value of front? 0. Okay. When it will select the choice number 2, it will delete 5. In that case, front is pointing to 1. Next, again you are deleting one more element. In that case, front is incremented by 1. Front is pointing to here. Okay. Again you are deleting. The front is pointing to here, and that element get deleted. Keep on like this. This is a delete operation. Next is a display operation. Display operation means before displaying any element in the queue data structure, we need to check whether the queue is empty or not. For that reason, we are taking this statement. Okay. Either one of the condition is satisfied or both the condition is satisfied, it means that queue is underflow. If queue is contains some elements, in that case you are using means that else condition get executed. Okay. Here I am taking I is one local variable that is initialized to front. What is the value of front? 0. 0 is less than 5, means that what is the value of rear here? 4. Index is 4. See, 0 is less than or equals to 4. Yes, condition is true. In that case, the first element get displayed, that is 1 is displayed. Again it will I is incremented by 1, means that I is pointing to here. Okay. In that case, second element get inserted. Keep on doing like this. Okay. Thank you, students.